Hello friends, welcome to Coco TV 3R. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. A for avocado. Avocado.
And then 10.
1, 2, 3.
A for angel. A for angel.
B for bird. B for bird.
B for bat. B for bat.
C for cat. C for cat.
C for caterpillar. C for caterpillar.
D for doll. Doll.
Molly had a dolly who was sick. So she phoned to the
D for donut. D for donut.
E for engineer. E for engineer.
E for eagle. E for eagle.
F for fan. F for fan.
F for frog. F for frog.
5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log.
G for girl. G for girl.
G for grapes. G for grapes.
H for hat. H for hat.
H for hen. H for hen.
I for ice cream. I for ice cream.
Ice cream, ice cream, made from milk.
I for iguana. I for iguana.
J for jam. J for jam.
J for jelly. J for jelly.
Jelly on a plate, hey! Jelly on a plate, hey!
K for kite. K for kite.
बादलों के संग चली रे मेरी पतंग.
K for kayak. K for kayak.
L for lotus. L for lotus.
L for ladybug. L for ladybug.
5 little ladybugs climb.
M for mango. M for mango.
A mango. I'm a mango. I'm a mango.
M for mat. M for mat.
N for nose. N for nose.
Can you point to it? Point to your nose, but
N for nail. N for nail.
O for ostrich. O for ostrich.
O for owl. O for owl.
P for potato. P for potato.
आलू का चालू बेटा कहाँ गए थे? बैंगन की
P for pea. P for pea.
Q for quilt. Q for quilt.
A quilt is like a
for quail. Q for quail.
R for rabbit. R for rabbit.
Jump, baby rabbits jump. Like father, like sister.
R for rat. R for rat.
बड़ी सियानी जैसे हो इस घर की रानी तभी तो
S for sun. S for sun.
Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine.
S for sunflower. S for sunflower.
Sunflowers tend to face the light growing tall.
T for tiger. T for tiger.
पापा बैग पापा हम कौन है? काली पट्टियों.
T for tomato. T for tomato.
टमाटर बड़े मजेदार. वाह टमाटर बड़े.
U for unicorn. U for unicorn.
U for umbrella. U for umbrella.
बारिश बारिश जाओ ना और किसी दिन आओ ना.
V for vulture. V for vulture.
V for violin. V for violin.
W for watermelon. W for watermelon.
W for whale. W for whale.
I'm the blue whale. I'm the blue whale. I'm the big
X for Xmas. X for Xmas.
Christmas tree.
X for xylophone. X for xylophone.
Phone with sticks. The notes are short and quick. It goes.
Y for yak. Y for yak.
Hey, Mr. Yak, you're pretty tall. You practically look like
Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo.
Yo-yo, it's my yo-yo, so you know now.
Z for zeep. Z for zeep.
Z for zebra. Z for zebra.
Special stripes and
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share Coco TV 3R.